Good morning, dear students. Last time we had completed in standard 12 science maths chapter number 4 determinants exercise 4.3. Today we are going to start new topic of determinants is minors and cofactors. So definition 1 gives minor of determinant. So minor of an element Aij of a determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting ith row and jth column in which element Aij lies. Means here I indicate row and j indicate column. So we have to remove ith row, yes or no, and jth column in which element Aij lies. Okay, so find out one example. A is equals to 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 6, 3, 4, 2. Now we have to find minor of A23. A23 means we have to remove second row and third column. First element gives row and second element gives column. So we have to remove second row and third column. So we have to remove second row, third column. So it gives M23 because minor of an element Aij is denoted by Mij. Yes or no? So M23 is equal to 2, 3, 3, 4. 2, 3, 3, 4. So M23 is, now we have to taking cross product. 2 4s are 8 minus 3 3s are 9. Means we have to multiply of principal diagonal minus multiply of second diagonal. So 2 4s are 8 minus 3 3s are 9. So answer is minus 1. Now definition 2 gives cofactor of element. So cofactor of an element Aij denoted by capital Aij is defined by Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij, where Mij is minor of Aij. So whenever we have to find cofactor of element, so first we have to find a minor, then we have to multiply. Simply we have to multiply I raised to, so minus 1 raised to I plus j. So we have to write same example. A is equal to 2 3 4 2 3 4 1 5 6 1 5 6 and 3 4 2 3 4 2. Now we have to find out cofactor of same element. Okay, cofactor of A23. We have to find the cofactor of A23. Here minus 1. Okay, so how to find cofactor of A23? Simply we have to multiply minus 1 raised to I plus j. I plus j means it gives row plus column. So A23 is equal to minus 1 raised to, it gives I. So I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 3. So now we have to put the value of I and j. So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 3 and M23 into M23 is equal to minus 1 raised to 5. Minus 1 raised to 5 into M23 gives minus 1. So simply minus 1 is equal to minus 1 raised to 5 minus 1 because negative power raised to even number gives plus and minus 1 raised to odd power gives minus. So here minus 1 raised to 5, it means odd power, so it gives minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1, answer is 1. Therefore A23 gives 1. Okay, now we will start exercise 4.4. Write minors and cofactors of the elements of the following determinants. First question is 2 minus 4 0 1. So we can write down here A11, A12, A21, A22. So we have to find out minors and cofactors of given element. So first find out the minus of A11. First find out minus. So minus of A11. How to find minus? So we have to remove first row and first column because Aij. I means row and J means column. So we have to remove first row and first column. And remaining elements gives minor of A11. So we have to remove first row, first column. So it gives 3. So A11 gives 3. Next, minor of A12. A12 means we have to remove first row and second column. First row and second column. So minor of A12 gives 0. Next, minor of A21. So we have to remove second row, first column. Second row, first column. It gives minus 4. Minor of A22 means we have to remove second row, second column. So we have second row, second column. It gives 2. Is it clear? Now we have to find out cofactors of given elements. Cofactors. So same thing. First find out cofactors of A11. Cofactors of A11. Okay. So here 1 plus minus 1 raised to it gives minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. Minor of A11 gives M11. Here M11. It gives M12. Here M21. And it gives M22. Is it clear? So we have to multiply with minus 1 raised to I plus L. It means minus 1 raised to 2. So minus 1 raised to 2 into M11. M11 is 3. So into 3. So minus 1 raised to 2 gives 1. 1 is 3. Next, cofactor of A12. A12. So minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12. So minus 1 raised to 3. 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 1 raised to 3 into M12. M12 gives 0. So answer 0. Next, cofactors of A21. So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into M21. So minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. It gives minus 1 raised to 3. It gives minus 1. And M21 gives minus 4. So here minus 1 raised to 3 into minus 4. It gives 4. Because minus 1 raised to 3 minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 4. It gives minus plus 4. Cofactor of A22 is equals to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into M22 is equal to minus 1 raised to 4 into M22 is 2 into 2. So is equal to minus 1 raised to 4 plus 1. So plus 1 into 2. Plus 1 into 2 is 2. Now second question is ACBD. Row wise ACBD. Same question, we have to find out minus and cofactors of given element. So first of all, write down here A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay. Now first find out minus. So first find out the minor of A11. It given by M11. So how to find M11? So we will remove first row, first column. So it gives D. Second, M12. So we will remove first row, second column. M12 means first row, second column. It gives B. M21. So we will remove second row first column. Second row first column. It gives A. And M22 means we will remove second row second column. So it gives A. Next cofactors. First A11 is equal to A11 means minus 1 raised to 2. It means plus 1. Also we have to add sign in cofactor. So for finding cofactor in 2 by 2, we have to remember sign. In 2 by 2 matrix, we have to remember in 2 by 2 determinant. In 2 by 2 determinant. First place 1 plus 1, it means minus 1 raised to 2. It gives positive. Next, A12 means 1 plus 2, 3. 3 is negative, so it gives negative. Here A21, it means minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. It means minus 1 raised to 3 is equal to minus 1. Here minus 1. And A22 means A minus 1 raised to 4. Minus 1 raised to 4 means plus. So here plus. So A11, A12, A21, A22. So here we have to find the cofactor of A11. So we have to take positive. So here D. M12. We have to write down first minor. So B. So here write down A. A12. A21. A22. A. Write down minors. Now add only sign. Okay. 1 2 means minus. 2 1 again minus. 2 2 is plus. So cofactors of given elements are A11 is D, A12 minus D, A21 minus A, A22 plus A. Next question number 2. First 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Question is saying you have to find minors and cofactors of all elements. Okay. So here is equals to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A3. So first of all, we have to find minors. So we have to find out the minors of A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. And minor of elements given by M. M11, M12, M13, so on. So M11 is equal to. So we have to remove first one first column. First one first column. So it gives 1 0 0 1. 1 0 0 1. Next M12. M12 means we have to remove first row second column. First row second column. First row second column. It gives 0 0 0 1. 0 0 0 1. M13. So we have to remove first row third column. First row third column. 0 1 0 0. 0 1 0 0. Next M21. M21 means we have to remove second row first column. First gives row and second gives column. So we have to remove second row first column. Second row first column. So it gives 0 0 0 1. 0 0 0 1. M22 means we have to remove second row second column. So we have to remove second row second column. It gives 1 0 0 1. 1 0 0 1. M23 means we have to remove second row third column. Second row third column. It gives 1 0 0 0. 1 0 0 0. Also we have simplified. So it gives 1 1 1 minus 0. 1 0 1 0 minus 0. 0 0 1 0 minus 0. So 0 1 0 0 minus 0. 0 1 1 1 minus 0 1. 1 0 0 minus 0 0. Next find out M31. M31 means we will remove third row first column. We will remove third row, first column. So it gives 0, 0, 1, 0. 0, 0, 1, 0. M32. M32 means we will remove third row, second column. Third row, second column. So it gives 1, 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, 0. And the last M33 means we will remove third row, third column. So it gives 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. Now we have to simplify it. So 0, 0 is 0 minus 0. 0. 1, 0 is 0 minus 0, 0. 1, 1 is 1 minus 0, 1. So it gives minus of all elements. Okay. There are 6 elements in divised element. Okay. 3 2s are, so 3 3s are 9 elements. Okay. So we have to find out minus. Now we have to find out cofactors of same elements. Second cofactor. Cofactors of elements given by capital letter A. Okay. A11, A12, A13. A21, A22, A23. A31, A32, A33. So simply we have to take the sign of some elements. Okay. So here first of all write down M11. Okay. A11 means minus 1 raised to 2 into M11. M11 gives 1. So into 1 is equals to 1. A12 means minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. 3 into A12 gives 0. So answer is 0. Here minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3, 4 into M13 is 0 because we have to multiply with minor, so it gives 0. A21, so minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1, 3. Here minus 1 raised to 4. Here minus 1 raised to 5. You do plus 3, 5. Here minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1, 4. Minus 1 raised to 3 plus 2, 5. Here minus 1 raised to 3 plus 3, 6. Multiply with minor. So 2 1 gives 0. So 0. So 0 answer. Here 1. So into 1. Minus 1 raised to 4, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Into 0. So answer is 0. A31. So M31 is 0. So into 0, it gives 0. Here 0, it gives 0. And M33 is 1. So here into 1, answer is minus 1 raised to 6, 1. So 1 1s are 1. So it gives all factors of given element. Now second question is 104. 104. 3 5 minus 1. 0 1 2. 104 3 5 minus 1 0 1 2. So first of all write down here A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So first of all we have to find out minus. Okay. So minus of A11 gives M11. So we have to remove first row, first column. Because it gives row, it gives column. So we will remove first row, first column. So remove first row, first column. Gives 5 minus 1, 1, 2. Is equal to 5 2s are 10 plus 1. It gives 11. Okay. Next M12. So we have to remove first row, second column. First row, second column. So it gives 3 minus 1, 0, 2. 3 minus 1, 0, 2. So it gives 3 2s are 6 minus 0. It gives 6. M13. So we have to remove first row, third column. First row, third column. It gives 3 5 0 1. 3 5 0 1. So 3 1s are 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Next M21. So we have to remove second row, first column. Second row, first column. So 0 4 1 2. 0 4 1 2. is equal to 0 to the 0 minus 4. So minus 4. M22. It means we are going to second row, second column. Second row, second column. 1402 remaining. 1402 remaining. Because we will remove second row, second column. 1402. 2 ones are 2 minus 02. M23. M23 means we will remove second row, third column. Second row, third column. So remaining elements are 1001. 1001. So it gives identity matrix and value of identity matrix is always 1. So 1 ones are 1. M31. So we have to remove third row, first column. Third row, first column. So remaining elements is 0, 4, 5 minus 1. 0, 4, 5 minus 1 is equal to 0 minus 20. So answer is minus 20. M32. Next find out M32. So we have to remove third row, second column. Third row, second column. So remaining elements is 1, 4, 3 minus 1. 1, 4, 3 minus 1. So minus 1 ones are minus 1. Minus 3 fours are 12. So minus 30. Because minus 1 minus 12 minus 30. M33. M33 means we have to remove third row, third column. Third column, third row. So remaining elements is 1035. 1035. So it gives 5 ones are 5 minus 0. 5. Next we have to find out the cofactors of given elements. Okay. So cofactors. Okay. Cofactors is denoted by capital letter A. Okay. So A11, A12, A13. So simply we have to change the sign of some elements. Okay. So how to change the sign? So we have to remember same as in 2 by 3 determinant as well as 3 by 3 determinant. Okay. So in 3 by 3 determinant, we have to remember A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 is equal to here A11 means minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1. It means minus 1 raised to 2. So it gives plus. Next minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1. It means minus 1 raised to 3. It means minus. Next minus 1 raised to 3 plus 1. So minus 1 raised to 4. So it gives plus. So we have to remember this sign. A12. So 1 plus 2 3 minus 1 raised to 4 plus minus 1 raised to 5 minus 1 raised to 4 plus minus 1 raised to 5 minus 1 raised to 6 plus. So we have to remember this sign for finding cofactors of 3 by 3 determinants. So A11, A12, A13. So A11, A12, A13. So plus minus plus. So here I have plus minus plus. Simply we have to multiply by minor of given element. So M11, M12, M13 is 11, 6, 3. So write down 11, 6, 3. So it gives cofactors of given elements. Also we have to find A21, A22, A23. So A21, A22, A23. We have to write minus plus minus is equal to minus plus minus and multiply by minor of given element. So minus 4 to 1. Minus 4 to 1. So it gives minus minus plus 4 to minus 1. Next A31, A32 and A33. So A31, 3, 3 plus minus plus. Write down plus minus plus and multiply with minor of given element. So minus 20, minus 30 and 5. So it gives 20 minus minus plus 30 and plus 5. Is it clear? So simply we have to multiply sign with minus. It gives cofactors of given elements. Next, question number 3. Using cofactors of element of second row, evaluate delta is equal to 5, 3, 8, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. We have to solve this determinant by using cofactor of element of second row. Is it clear? So delta is equal to 5, 3, 8, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3 given. Now we have to do second row. Second row is 2, 0, 1. Yes or no? Second row is 2, 0, 1. So we have to take sign is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. So minus, plus, minus. Keep in mind the sign. So we will end up first minus 2. So we have to remove respective row and column. So we have to remove first row, second column. So remaining elements is 3, 8, 2, 3. 3, 8, 2, 3. Next plus 0. Not in right, but we have to end 0. Okay. So we will remove second row, second column. 5, 8, 1, 3. 5, 8, 1, 3. Minus 1. So remove. We have to remove second row, third column. 5, 3, 1, 2. 5, 3, 1, 2. Now we have to solve minus 2 break. This is a 9 minus 8 is a 16 plus 0. 5 is a 15 minus 8 minus 1. 5 is a 10 minus 3 is equal to minus 2 bracket 16 minus 9 7 minus 7 sorry plus 0 bracket 7 minus 1 bracket 7 is equal to 7 to 14 plus 14 because minus minus plus here 0 minus 7 so it gives 7. Is it clear? Now question number 4. Using cofactors of element of third column. Keep in mind we have to solve by using third column. Evaluate delta equal to 1x yz 1y zx 1z xy. So here delta is equal to 1 1 1 x y z yz zx xy. We have to use third column. So third column is yz zx xy. Sign is plus minus plus. Minus plus minus plus minus plus. So keep in mind the sign plus minus plus. So we have to solve first write down yz. So we have to remove respective row and column. So we have to remove third column first row. So 1 by 1z remaining 1 by 1z. Next minus zx. So we have to remove second row second column. Second row third column. So 1x 1z 1x 1z plus xy. Because plus xy we have to remove third column third row 1x 1y 1x 1y is equal to yz. Now we have to solve this determinant. So z minus y minus zx z minus x plus xy y minus x. Now we have to simplify. It gives y z square minus y square z minus z square x plus x square z plus xy square minus x square y. Now it gives answer. For next and the last question of exercise 4.4. If delta is equal to a11 a12 a13 a21 a22 a23 a31 a32 a33 and aij is the cofactors of small aij, then the value of delta is given by. Okay, so how to solve the 3 by 3 determinant? So suppose we have to take first row. Okay, so we have to write first element a11 then a12 then a13. So we have to write respective cofactors. Okay, suppose we have to write small a11, so we have to write with capital A11 Okay. So here 1.3 1. So A is not the answer. A1 is impossible. Now we will take A12. So with we will write down with capital A12. So here 2 1. So again answer B is not true. Next, suppose we have to write A21, capital A11. Is it also not true? A11, A21, capital A22, A31, A31. So we have to write respective elements. Suppose we write first element, so write down with cofactor. Second element, write down with cofactor. Third element, write down with its cofactor. So answer is D. Okay. Suppose A11. So we will remove respect to row column. So it gives A11. So A11 plus. So delta is equal to. Next, suppose we write down A21. So we have to solve by taking first column. So A21. So write down capital A21 plus A31. Capital A31. So the answer is D.